the 6th of January, and I'm feeling a lot better. I am feeling a lot better. I have not been through a rut like that for a long time, but I'm definitely coming through it. I've been praying and journaling and like doing affirmations and stuff, and listening to a lot of positive talks and that kind of thing. So I'm just grateful that I know how to get myself out of a dark place now, which is amazing. So yeah, it's Monday the 6th of January. The kids are back at school, thank God for that, and I'm going to start putting myself first this year. I am going to take charge of my health and fitness. I've got a number in mind of weight that I want to lose. So yeah, this is the beginning. But yeah, I'm feeling much better. I'm looking forward to the year ahead. I'm looking forward to making my vision board. And yeah, the time is now. The time is always now. And it's going to be an amazing year. So yeah. And excuse my lips being ill, like everything just kind of dried out. My lips really dried out, and I keep picking them now because they're dry. So that's why that's happening. But yeah, all right then, I'm gonna go. See you later. Also last night I watched Sophia Nygaard and Tyler's wedding just before I went to sleep, and then I dreamt about them, and I dreamt that like I was one of their best friends. And we were like driving around, and I was at their wedding, and like I was like part of the wedding party, and as a gift they gave me my own book. Like I'd published a book and they gave me that as a present, and it was under Fern Cotton's label, Happy or something. But anyway, like one of my dreams is to start writing books. I'm a writer. I've been a writer since I was a little girl, and that's something I need to do. So it just kind of put me like, it made me smile, and it made me realize that I need to work on that dream as well. So yeah, just thought I'd share that with you. Today is Wednesday the 8th of January, and my plan today was to come out for a solo nature walk, but then my husband decided to join me. Didn't you? No comment. So yeah, we're just in a local nature thing. I'm trying not to slip because it's really muddy, and I'm actually quite glad he's here now. But yeah, it's beautiful and I needed this. Oh my god, it's proper slippy. Oh my god, I'm actually sticking in this. Now we're hiking and we're going up and up and up. You know, sometimes my soul really craves this, and just having kids and having like a household to run and stuff, don't really get time to do this. But this year, husband, we're going to make this a priority. I'm going to make it a priority, make sure I come out, be in nature, do some journaling and some affirmations, and just be, because there's an energy here that is just like, it's pure and it's everything, and I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. He's looking at me. Hello everybody, it's Friday the 10th of January and thankfully I'm feeling so much better. I've been putting a lot of things into practice this week that are making me feel so good and so blessed and so grateful once again. I went into a really weird place, I've not been there for a long time, but I know that it had to happen. So yeah, it's happened and I'm coming through it and I'm grateful. So today has been really good. I've been filming YouTube videos, not just a vlog like other videos, and I really have a vision for my channel this year. It's what I've always wanted to kind of do with it, but just because of the kids and stuff, I've never had time to like implement it. Now that I get a bit of time away from them, I'm gonna make it happen. So yeah, that's what I've been doing today and I can't wait for you guys to watch them. Oh, hello there, Mr. Camera. Hello. It's Sunday evening and I just did my third like intense workout of the week and I feel amazing. The first one was really hard because I've not really exercised like that in ages. Second one felt better. This one I was really pumped to do, but I really had to battle my way through it. But it was amazing. I feel so good. I'm gonna go have a shower now and get some food. Well, I cooked earlier, so I'm gonna eat some food and then get to bed. Early start. I love this man so much.